Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, in this video, we are going to talk about the Ethereum merge is finally on track. And as we heard the date, 19th of September, everything is going as per the plan. And in fact, uh, this Goerli test, one of the major and the most important test net that was supposed to happen, has successfully been finalized. Now, why we are talking on these terms is because a lot of times in the past it was talked about Ethereum merge is coming, it is going to happen in June, in the third quarter, in the first quarter. It is awaited from 2020, guys. I mean, December of 2020, everyone was awaiting. Okay, it can happen any moment, and here we are, approximately 2 years down the line. One of the major or the most important upgrade in the blockchain's history, because Ethereum being one of the most important asset right next to the Bitcoin in terms of market capitalization. And in fact, some of the people are speculating eventually Ethereum is going to flip Bitcoin. Having said that, that particular asset after this merge is going to be energy efficient, 90%, 95% energy efficient. Energy efficiency, one of the most important factor out there in the world. Then the next thing, 95% of the Ethereum will become a deflationary asset. Why? Because 90% of the Ethereum supply will be cut. Just imagine, out of the blue, one of the most demanded items out there in the world, if 90% of its supply is cut, what happens to it? I mean, surely with the demand increasing consistently and institutional money coming in, the price is going to surge. So this one, like the previous times, right now we have all the tests that has successfully been done and been finalized, and okay, so we are totally onto the track. So this is the reason, guys. In fact, a lot of the surge that we have seen, I mean, Ethereum is like $200 billion asset. That particular asset, we are talking within the matter of 3 weeks, we are up 90%. Yes, from $1,000 to $1,900. I mean, that means you are adding like $180 billion into the market. So this particular news itself was bullish enough to drive probably the entire crypto space. So a lot of things are happening, a lot of talks are happening for this particular event. Make sure you are prepared for it. In fact, there was one of the coin Lido DAO, if you know about LDO, that we covered probably in our past videos as well. I mean, it went within a matter of 2 weeks from 42 cents to right now it is sitting at $2.80. That means within a matter of 3 weeks, during these brutal times, during these inflationary times, when the Bitcoin is so much down, it did 800% jump. Why? Because that platform will be allowing, I mean, that is the biggest platform that allows the Ethereum staking. A lot of staking happens onto that particular platform, just because Ethereum's proof of work to proof of stake transition is happening. The demand for Lido coin increase. Now, one thing that we all need to understand, a lot of people are confusing it with Ethereum 2.0. No, this is not Ethereum 2.0, but this is one of the mega upgrade that was supposed to happen within the Ethereum world. Ethereum 2.0 will have this unique thing where the transaction speed, like the gas fees, will be reduced significantly. The transaction speed will be increased significantly. Why? Because the parallel transaction will be enabled via the sharding. So that is going to happen probably by next year, like 2023, first half, second half. But right now, this is not ETH 2.0. This is ETH merge, which is also one of the mega event. And in fact, like, there were a lot of articles written like how this proof of stake transition is going to impact the entire ETH ecosystem. Some people were calling that it is going to make it centralized because the power will go into certain people's hand. But that is like, some of the people disagree with that. Some of the people are very happy because it will become far more energy efficient. And but like, having said that, this is a kind of a event that everyone is awaiting for. And in fact, like, I mean, I happen to cover a lot regarding the Tika Tiwari. Tika Tiwari believes this could be the mega catalyst for a bull run. Like before having this particular, another bull run might happen, and this could be one of the catalysts. And a lot of coins related with the Ethereum are going to jump really hard, and that is what he said a lot time before. And right now we are here for the Ethereum merge. So guys, so much of the things happening. The merge has really, we are talking about somebody who would have put, let's say, $200 million into Ethereum at $1,000, because liquidity is high, you can put that amount. Right now they have made, like within a matter of 2-3 weeks after this particular news, probably $150 million. A lot of people have done, a lot of institutional money has bought Ethereum at a cheap price. So guys, this is something really big, and that is why like it deserved to be talked about in a special video. So be prepared for it. Get yourself aligned in such a way, because yes, the Ethereum merge, it is a mega event. If you would have been prepared earlier, you would have taken all these pumps that has happened, like Bitcoin from $18,000, right now it's sitting at $24,460. You might have enjoyed all these gains. But having said that, definitely the Ethereum merge, as it comes closer, this is a mega event that is further going to affect the price a lot. So again guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, you feel you like the content, you feel we deserve more subscribers, please ensure you hit the subscribe button. Kindly share the video to as many people as you can. Smash the like button, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.